Yes, hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever location you may be right now. This Elegant FS. This video is just to show you how to calculate pips using your smartphone. So how do we do this? We have so many instruments we trade with here. Then yes, let me start with gold. How do we calculate pips on gold? So I have some positions open here. I have a position open at 1644, 1656, 1661 and 1666, though using my own strategy. That's why I opened those four positions. Okay, let me start with the one I opened at 1644. How do we calculate the pips that I've made on this trade? Okay. So on the top tab here that we have here, this blue tab we have here, we have the crosshair, which is the cross that we can see here. This cross, we have the F, which is the indicator sign. So I'll click on the cross, which is the crosshair. So now I can decide to calculate my pips from the position I enter my trade, which is 1644, which is this 1644, or I can decide to start from the current price, the current place the price is at now. So okay, let me start from the position where I enter my trade. So how do I do this? I use one of my finger to click and hold, then the second finger I use it to drag down. Then you can see this, you can see how I do this. So now I have what on my crosshair, we have 17/17.37. okay, let me do it the other way around. I click on the crosshair from the position where the price is currently at now, then I use one of my finger to click, then the other one to drag up to where the position where I enter my trade. So you can see we also have 17.33, 18/17.33. You can see the price is changing, though, because the price is not constant and I'm online. I'm trading live right now. So we have 17.42. So what does this mean? So we eliminate the last digit on that 17.42. On this 17.42, you trash the last digit, which is 2. Then we have what? 17.4. So this point that is there, you overlook it. That is what? 174 pips, 174 pips on this. So how do you use to calculate the amount you will make on this if you are using 0.01 lot size? So 0.01, we all know it is what? 10 cents. So you now what? You divide 174 divided by 10. What do you have? You have 17.4, which is what? $17 for 40 cents. So but the pips I make on this 1644 position is what? 174 pips. So what of this 1656 position that I have here? So let's do it for this 1656 position. I will do what? Cross, and from my position. Okay, I will prefer to start from the current place where the price is. Then I will what? Click with the second one to the where I enter my trade. So we can see now in this one we have 23/29.21. So is that 29.21 we are looking at? We trash the last digit, which is 1. Then we have what? 292 pips. So I made 292 pips 1656 position. So how did I calculate what I made on this? 293 now. Okay, so I say 293 divided by 10 cents, which is what? 0.01, 10 cents. So it's going to be 29. So I made $29 if I'm using 10 cents, but now I'm using 2 cents. I'm using 20 cents, which is 0.02. What I do is what? I multiply what I made by 2, which is 29.3 times 2. So the answer you get is what I made on this trade right now. So that's for good. Which other pair can I use now? Okay, Euro USD. I don't have much now. What time am I running at now? Okay, I'm running at 5 minutes 54 seconds. Okay, I will be rounding up. Don't worry, when we release the other video, we'll talk about the JPY-PS. So on Euro USD, I have how many position here? Which is I have 0.04. Okay, on this my strategy, one of my that 78.6 have not been triggered. So I have my 61.8, 50 and 38.2 Fibonacci, which has been triggered, and I'm currently on profits. I'm currently as profit. So let me start from this 0.04 lot size, which is at 0.98548. Let me highlight where I'm currently going to. This place that I have my yellow line here. So that's where I want to explain from. So how do I get the pips I've made on this? I will click on my crosshair, then I click on the position where my trade triggered. There, the position I enter my trade. So then I will use one finger to click and the other finger to drag to where we get to where our price is currently at. Then I stop there, I remove my hand. So what do I have here? I have 68/0.00897. So we trash all the 0.00 that we have here, then we only focus on 897. And you know, when we are talking about that gold the other time, the last digit was also trashed, Abby. So we trash the last digit of this Euro USD also, which is the 7. Then we have 89 pips. So from this place now, from 0.98548 to the current price, what I made on Euro USD there is 89 pips. Just 89 pips. Very, very simple. Don't make it complex, just get it the way it is. 89 pips. So 89 pips now, how much what is the value I made on this 89 pips? So what we do is 89 divided by 10 if we are using 0.01 lot size, 10 cents. So 89 divided by 10 is $8.9. So $8.9 now multiplied by 0.04 will give you what I made on this trade. I think we understand. Don't worry, the next video I'll be sharing that to card JPY